Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, Hue, guys. It's another beautiful sunny day here out in Hue at the resort, guys. And I just want to say God bless and welcome, guys. And it looks like the markets are turning up, guys. We got BTC over $42,000, so and it's holding, and I can see a lot of green in all the altcoins, guys. So that is pretty bullish in the house, guys. So we're going to talk about why Bitcoin is going up, why the altcoins are going up, and what you should be doing. Should you be worried in the house, guys? And also too, we also have to understand that the Fed has been messing with us as well, guys. The Fed has absolutely been messing with us. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some of the breaking news for Doge Coin, for Shiba Inu. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, and all the other altcoins out there. And guys and gals, so this is a great time to be alive, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. YB in the house, guys. Don't forget to always go and check the merch, guys. Check the merch as always. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is not financial advice, guys. It's just an OG expressing his opinion, guys. And you can see my waterfall in the background, guys. I got the waterfall. It's a beautiful day, guys. So let's jump into the content without further delay. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here, by the way. Let's get into the content right now. Let's do it, guys. Woo! So just before we jump into the content, I thought I'd show you a little bit of Hue City. This is a small little clip. So this is the city where I'm living in, guys. So love it, love it, love it. Let's get into the content. Guys, this is the OG in the house, guys. Ric Flair of crypto coming to live from Vietnam, as I said in the intro, guys. So overall, guys and gals, we're seeing things are looking a little bit better in the house right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is green, and we haven't seen anything green for such a long time. We're seeing that Ethereum is green. We're seeing a lot of greenness out there, so that is pretty bullish in the house, guys. So I'm feeling a little bit more optimistic right now about the way things are going. So this is pretty positive. So you guys should be positive. You guys should be psyched in the house that we're seeing more and more stuff going up, guys. So hopefully this trend will continue. We're seeing right now that the fear and greed index from yesterday is basically exactly where it was yesterday. Is at 23. We're still like extreme fear, guys. So there's a lot of discussion out there. There's some crypto bulls and crypto bears out there. Some people are saying that this is a consolidation, that 2021 was just a whole year of consolidation, and that 2022 we're going to see a huge breakout for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Doge Coin, and all the other layer 1 and layer 2s. So there's other people on the other side of the fence who are saying no, that Bitcoin is going to break down to as low as 30,000 in the house, and that's it. It's over. And all this kind of stuff. So, what does the OG think? What do I think? I think personally that we are consolidating. That 2021, it wasn't a great year for crypto. I mean, it was a good year, but it wasn't one of these huge, fantastic years. And I believe that we're going to have a continuation in 2022. That's what I believe. This is not financial advice. So we're seeing that, we can look right now that the fear and greed index over time, we're seeing that, we have not been here. The last time we touched these levels was back in July, back in June, back in May, back in May again. So I think we're going to see a reversal. We're seeing the fear and greed index, and you can see every time that we're in crypto is in greed. We're in the high extreme greed areas. We often see this is denotes the tops or the peaks. So I'm of the volition that we're seeing crypto. Absolutely, I think we've hit bottom, guys. I really do think we've hit bottom, and I think that we could see some more upside coming from here. But this is a huge decision time in terms of what we need to be seeing happening with Dogecoin, with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, and we need to see what's going on. So right now we can see that the number one talked about coin out there is Shiba Inu, followed by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Alchemy Pay, guys, Solana, Binance Coin, and Harmony One, Cardano, and Chainlink. So we are seeing Chainlink right now is starting to take off. It's starting to make some moves, and we can see that right here. Chainlink is at $27.61. So we've broken out of this descending triangle. And we've kind of formed this W pattern here, this kind of a W pattern from here. We've gone up here and we've gone up here. And we can see that, the neckline of this W pattern is probably extending to right here. And if we measure the breakout point along the neckline here, we can see that this is I would say this is around the neckline of that. And then if we measure top to bottom here, let's say the top to bottom is around about here, the average. We could be seeing that we could be breaking out probably from the point of breakout at the top of that neckline. We could be seeing $33 coming in for Chainlink. So I'm very bullish on Chainlink. Chainlink has been being pretty much a Debbie Downer for some time. I mean, I did buy into Chainlink around about here, so I've just been, riding the wave down, guys. So it looks like we're getting a bit of a reversal in the house, and I think that we're going to see, respectively, we're going to see Chainlink hit all-time highs again soon. I believe it. You should believe it. Remember, this is not financial advice by any stretch of the imagination, but I think that Chainlink has a good possibility to start making some moves, guys. So you can see that here, Chainlink does tend to form these descending triangles, hit a bottom, and then they tend to break out the upside. And then we can see this pattern again here, another descending triangle from a top. This was much shorter than we saw our breakout. So we're seeing the same thing. And typically these breakouts to the upside, they often last and run about 30 days. So I'm thinking that we're going to see Chainlink absolutely go to the moon, guys. So that's some bullish news in the house. So top 10 coins, we've covered that. And this is from Matthew Hayward. And he's really saying, comparing Bitcoin consolidation range that it has now been over 1 year in consolidation. And we saw this, we experienced it in 2019 and 2020. The 2-week RSI has similar structure. Price action is different because of November highs, but a move lower is possible. So, he's saying that we could see perhaps Bitcoin moving lower. And I'm kind of thinking that we're going to move higher. We saw this in 2021 to 2022. We saw this as really a range of consolidation. We did see that in 19 to 2021, from like June to January, we did see a consolidation happening, and then we had a huge explosion. So I really believe that 2021, if you look here to 2022 where we are now, this has just been really a consolidation in this box, guys. And he's saying that we're seeing a very similar structure on the 2-week RSI. So hopefully this will we'll have this breakout here for Bitcoin after this consolidation we had from 19 to 2021. So this kind of ran from like June, like late May, and this went all the way to the beginning of 2021 when we saw the huge rise, guys. And then we had this black swan event here, guys. So I really think that we're going to see a consolidation of Bitcoin is being complete, and I think we're going to see a rise. I mean, a lot of people are saying no, there's not going to be any rise. It's over. But if we look at Bitcoin Archive, he's also saying right now Bitcoin RSI has been this low just two other times in the last 2 years, and we can see that we saw this here again in 2019, 2020. We saw this in June when we had the summer crash, and then we had this big giant black swan event here. And I don't want to really say that on YouTube because I get in trouble, so I don't want to say that, but this crash was caused by that, guy. So we had this kind of the new variant that came out here, and that was one of the responsible reasons and one of the reasons out there why that happened, guys. So I really believe that we could be seeing the BIDI going up, guys. A lot of people are saying that BIDI is going to go down. It's going to go down to 30. We're out of there. But I'm more optimistic, and I think we're going to see things going up, guys and gals in the house, guys. So if you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, Bitcoin is still looking red again on the weekly. Is there no end to this redness for Bitcoin? And we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at $41,745. It had broken above $42,000 earlier, about an hour ago, but it has come down from there. And we're once again again, we're just going along this whole support level between 40,000 and 42,000. We really need to break out of it. We did manage to break out of it a couple times today, but we got rejected as well. We're seeing that the MACD is turning white, guys, so hopefully that'll be a follow-on and will turn green, guys. So your guess is as good as mine right now. I mean, I'm bullish. I am bullish. A lot of people are bearish. You guys have to do your own risk management and follow your gut right now. I mean, some people saying it's going to go down and that's it. We're going to wash out. I think that we're going to see at least another big pump to the upside, anywhere as high as, between 52 and 58,000 before we have another downside. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. And I may be wrong, guys. I may be wrong. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house right now. So, yeah, today was my day off. And we moved from one villa to another. It's the same, the layout is the same, but we just moved to the end villa on the resort. So it's farther away. So we give the guests a closer villa. So that's why we moved today. So that's why I didn't do a video earlier today, because we've been moving again. So it is what it is. So we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now. We did have a bit of we can see that we had an impulse to the upside here. And it was looking good, pretty good yesterday, and we drew this line all the way up here, and we were hoping that we could follow this trend line to the upside. I'm going to save that right now. Save it, and we call it Shiba Inu. And but yesterday we broke down from this line, and that is not pretty good. But everything is just kind of in the doldrums. We're all kind of like in a waiting pattern. It's like when you're in an airplane, you're just circling. You don't know when you're going to land. You don't know when you're going to land. So I really can't say what's going to happen right now, except that we're just going in this whole holding pattern right now, and we need to really see something make some moves. I mean, if we look at Meta's Dow has definitely made some moves. It's up 34.52% today in the house, guys. So hopefully you guys had aped into that. We're above $200, and we're seeing a lot of altcoins are making some moves. So that is very positive in the house. So let's take a look at Doge Woji in the house right now. So we're seeing that the Doge Coin right now on this chart, we're just going sideways again. We've broken out of this huge descending wedge that we had going all the way back from May, the SNL days. And, what can I say, guys? We're just going to have to wait for a confirmation from Bitcoin before we see or make any moves to the upside, guys. So it's really just a waiting game. Your guess is as good as mine right now. We're seeing that Ethereum as well has, it's just at the support line of around about 3160. And we also got some support at 3000, guys. So we're also going range bound as well, and we have this whole descending wedge here, and this is pretty nasty dump right there. So we're just waiting for a confirmation from Bitcoin before we see any moves. I know it's boring, guys. I absolutely know it's boring. You guys are like, gee whiz, don't you have any positive news, guys? Don't you have any positive news out there? Oh, gee, what's going on? What's going on, guys? I cannot tell you there's positive news out there. We had the Fed and their whole meeting and the interest rates and the tapering and all this kind of stuff. So that has caused the broader markets to dump. The tech stocks have dumped, guys, and that's why we're seeing what we're seeing. And people are scared. A lot of retail investors have dumped their coins, sold, and that's why we're here where we are. And we're just things are starting to turn green slowly and slowly. The confidence is coming back into the market. That's why we're seeing fear and greed is up right now. We're seeing Phantom at $2.39 in the house, guys. So it's basically, I'm sorry, guys, we're just gonna have to wait and see what's going on. And we look at Chainlink. Chainlink is making some good moves, guys. So that is pretty good in the house. So let's take a look at the total crypto market caps right now. Let's give this a minty refresh in the house. So right now we're seeing the total market cap is at 202 trillion. The volumes are really light. The Bitcoin dominance is going up. If you look at the coinage in the house right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin's at 41,906. At least we're seeing some green, guys. At least we're seeing some green. We're seeing Ethereum is up 1% right now, and that's at 3150. We're seeing BNB is up 1.5%. That's at 440. We're seeing Solana's up 1.27. That's up 1%, guys. That's $141 in the house, guys. ADA is down 0.29. So it's getting closer to my $1 mark. To my $1 mark, guys. We're seeing that Polkadot is up 24.78, and that's at $2.88, guys. Luna is up also as well at 0.28%. That's at $71.19 in the house. We're seeing that Avalanche is up 4%. Doge is down just over 0.5%. It's at 15 and some change. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is down as well. Matic is up. So guys, I really believe that, these layer 1 protocols, they're absolutely going to explode in the house. We're seeing that the total TVL locked right now is only down 1.18%. So that is looking pretty good. If you look at the change right now, we can see that the total amount of money in the total TVL and change right now, it's Ethereum is up right now 0.3%. We're seeing Luna is up 9.28%. It's like 16 billion. We're seeing BNB is down. Avalanche is up, and that's at 11 billion. Solana is up. Phantom is up 4.52%. So that's looking pretty good. So we're seeing that a lot of the layer 1s out there are looking pretty good. We're seeing lots of green, guys. We're seeing more green than red. So that is pretty positive in the house, guys. So guys and gals, go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. We got 3,649 followers on the Twitter. Get the tips, get the tricks, get the best news out there. Go and follow me on Twitter. Go down there, smash the likey wikeys, smash the likey wikeys like crazy, guys. You want to get it, and show some love in the house. And don't forget to give a super chat, guys, if you're watching. And please go down and check out my Linky Winkies. Do it right now. Check out the Linky Winkies. Check out the Patreon. Check out the buy the channel on Coffee, guys, and don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. You want to get it, guys. You absolutely want to get it, and don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the backpack, get the pillow, willow. Yeah, guys. I'm sorry, there's nothing fantastically crazy out there, crazy good out there. It's just basically pretty quiet. It's Sunday evening for most of you in the U.S. And it's a Monday morning for some of you in Europe, guys. So it's pretty quiet. And hopefully that, by tomorrow, we'll start to get some news. We'll get some more momentum on the crypto space. And things should be looking up, guys. So, I'm not going to tell you that it's all smelling like roses right now. It's kind of 50-50 where we're going to go. I'm pretty bullish. I think that we're going to be moving up, guys. I think we've seen that 2021 was more of a consolidation year than a huge upside. And we're seeing that right now. The price of Bitcoin is exactly where it was last January, guys. So hopefully we'll get ourselves moving pretty soon, guys. So this is the OG, the Ric Flair in the house, saying God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be well. Absolutely be well. I love it. You love it. Let's get it in the house. Woo!